We often see education as neutral, natural, and necessary. But have you ever asked who designed it and for what purpose? Formal education began in ancient civilizations. In Mesopotamia and Egypt, schools trained scribes for the state. In ancient Greece, education focused on philosophy and citizenship, but only for elite men. During the Islamic Golden Age, madrasas taught theology, science, medicine, and mathematics, open to wider society. Knowledge was seen as worship. In medieval Europe, education was controlled by the church. Literacy served religious authority. Then came the Industrial Revolution. This changed everything. By the 19th century, mass schooling emerged to train factory workers. Schools taught discipline, punctuality, and obedience, values needed for industrial capitalism. Sociologist Emil Durkheim argued education creates social unity. Max Weber showed how it produces bureaucracy and credentials. Pierre Bourdieu revealed how schools reproduce class inequality. Children from wealthy families succeed because the system favors their culture, language, and habits. Today, education serves multiple functions. It trains workers, sorts students by ability, and produces citizens. But it also creates competition, stress, and debt. Contemporary sociologist Gurminder Bhamra critiques how colonial history is erased from textbooks. Paulo Freire called this the banking system of education, where students memorize instead of thinking critically. Education looks similar worldwide because of colonial influence and globalization. Countries from Africa to Asia copied European school systems. Exams, grades, classrooms, and degrees look almost the same everywhere. But differences exist. Finland focuses on well-being and creativity. South Korea emphasizes discipline and exams. In Islamic countries, religious education still plays a strong role. Muslim thinkers also questioned education. Ali Shariati said schools should produce thinkers, not followers. Malik Bennabi argued that true development begins with intellectual renewal. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim," showing education is spiritual, not just economic. So, education is not just about jobs. It shapes identity, values, and power. The real question is, are we being trained to obey or to think? What if school was designed more to control you than to empower you? If this made you reflect, like, share, and subscribe for more sociological insights.